A Busy Day at Home by Sandhu. A busy day at home. Raj was a young man from Punjab who had just moved to England. He lived in a small flat with his wife, Priya, and their little son, Aman. One Saturday morning, Raj decided to help with the housework while Priya visited her sister. First, Raj wanted to make breakfast. He took the potato peeler and peeled some potatoes for aloo paratha. Then he used the blender to make a smooth chutney with fresh coriander and mint. He twisted the pepper grinder to add some spice to the mixture. Everything smelled delicious. After breakfast, Raj cleaned the kitchen. He wiped the table with a tea towel and opened a bottle of juice with the bottle opener for Aman. Then he saw the floor was dirty. He grabbed the broom and swept everything into the dustpan. The kitchen looked much better. Next, Raj went to the living room. The light bulb in the lamp was not working, so the room was dark. He climbed on a chair and changed the light bulb. Now it was bright again. Aman was playing with his toys on a tray that Raj had brought from the kitchen. Suddenly, Raj heard a noise from the bedroom. He opened the wardrobe and saw that all the clothes had fallen down because there was no coat hanger left. He quickly put the clothes back and hung them on coat hangers. In the afternoon, Priya came home. She had a big suitcase full of gifts from her family. Raj helped her carry it inside. But Priya also had her work briefcase with important papers. She put it on the table and smiled at Raj. "You did so many things today," Priya said. "The house looks clean and tidy." Raj laughed. "I used almost everything: the tea towel, broom, blender, pepper grinder, coat hanger, potato peeler, dustpan, light bulb, suitcase, tray, bottle opener, and even your briefcase is safe now." They all sat down for tea. Aman played happily and Raj felt proud. Helping at home was not easy, but it made the family happy.